Yeah, there you go. Where's your atonement, sir? Weather Kicks reporting in. There's a fire today. And it's on the feet. I'm just kidding, these are the beaters. Snacky snack. Start this bad boy up. Damn, man. Goddamn brake light went out. One thing I gotta say, man, after it rains, the weather is immaculate. But yeah, man, we head into the shop. About to take the S15 to my boy Charles so we can finish up this turbo kit. It's about that time, man. I want to drive that car so bad. I promise you guys, once that thing is running, I'm gonna do a nice celebration burnout. It's gonna be much needed. All right, guys, it's about time to roll out. Car's all loaded up. Hey, look at that snack. Sick. Love it. Can't wait. Something about that steering wheel on the wrong side, man. Smoke me out. Bruh, this car is so sick. It's so sick. Sheesh. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this better. Damn, my guy over here with the big intercooler boys. It's my twin over here. Damn. Alright guys. It's the last time she's gonna be here. It's almost ready. Soon. Damn, look at this. That's why I didn't go back any further. I was like, this shit gonna rip off. Gotta love being here, right? Jesus Christ. That bit clean though. Alright, just pulled up the BMW. Got some bulbs.
The following day.
We got the chanclas on today. Them got the chanclas on today too. Swapped out, put the stocks on. Honestly, these stocks are fire. I truly love both setups. I was thinking about powder coating them black, but I kind of like them silver. I don't know. They look good in black too, but they're just like less noticeable. Like they don't stand out as much. They just look like black wheels. But with the silver, they actually pop. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do them like gunmetal or something. But I'm definitely gonna keep the stocks. They're nice wheels to have if I want to run 19s. The car definitely drives a lot better on the 18s with a bigger tire, 100%. So yeah, I'm gonna be dropping the car off today to my boy. He's gonna be repainting the bumper for me, getting those little carbon pieces on, and I actually might have him do the calipers like gloss black, just so they don't look like crusty and shit. And man, we got a surprise coming. I'm not gonna speak on it yet, but yeah, something. It's more for me though, not really for the channel, but just for me. I'm happy. For this car, I'm gonna say I equally like my TEs and I equally like the stock comp wheels. I don't know, these wheels are just fire to me. Especially now with the spacers, they look way better. So yeah, we're gonna get those carbon side splitters on, the rear trunk lid, carbon. This bumper is gonna get repainted for my boy. Yeah, your boy messed it up right here, all bad. That was my fault. So yeah, take a look at it. We will be back.
3 days later.
What we got on the feet? Ooh, okay. Something a little different. Got the cab fours on. Alright guys, so you guys see that this car looks like pretty spotless right now, right? So I haven't washed this thing in about 2 weeks, and yesterday I decided to clean it. Like, you know, everything is just spotless, bro. I wiped the shit out of it. Calipers, everything. Like, the car's clean as hell. And guess what? It's wet outside. It never fails, bro. I filled up my tank. I was up in here wiping the interior. And look at this shit, already sprinkling. Nice. Well, I don't think the car got too dirty, so hopefully it stays kind of dry like this. We should be alright. But about to link up with some of the old squad that I used to cruise with. It's been a minute. Shit's so clean. So I'm pretty sure you guys remember my boy Bowie with the Pista that has like the Gucci spec. That one's not him, but yeah, he just picked up a SV. Must be nice. So excited to see that right now. Wayne gang. Yeah, man, this is whack. It's definitely gonna be dirty as hell. All that's gonna be dirt. Oh, look at it. It's already got dirty ass water. Damn. Had I known that, I would have not even touched this thing. Whatever. Clean. Very clean spec. Those Cub fenders are so nice. The vert perf. Just clean right here. Crazy interior. Another Pista. The hood is nuts. Bonkers. My boy, new SV in the building. Yeah. The Batmobile. This thing's so sick. Pista that just passed us. Shit is clean. Like 21s in the back. That's fire. Very nice. The cruise kind of got ruined because it's still like sprinkling and wet, so I think we're just gonna go to Cars and Coffee. Nice little squad. Got about 2.5 mil in the lineup. Damn, I thought it was a pole going through my boy head. Where's your Tome, sir? I spy with my little eye a FD and a Supra. Some nice spots. I don't think there's gonna be too many people here today because of the rain, but whatever. Got a nice RS7 right there. That Pista though. Oh, very nice. 4GT. Race car boy. It's wet and rainy, but people still out, man. Got a clean M3 right there. Let's see what's here. Damn, dog. Is that a plaid? About to gap everybody. For sure a plaid. Damn, my boy got the mook off, got all the seats wet. Damn, I thought this was TJ Hunt for a second. 600 LT. Squad. Viper boys. Oh yeah, right. A lot of whips. Damn, keep this right here. Clean. Slam. Yeah, okay. Okay, M4 on the BBSs. LM boys. Guys, remember that? Wide body C8. Damn, that Pete. This shit's clean. This is very nice. This is 992.
Right.
Damn,
Right.
21s in the back. This shit's sick. Damn, the Z fam. Where's your tummy, sir? There it is. The Boopra gang. This red one's clean. Where's your tummy? Clean, little E90. Clean bins. 63. Clean F80.
Yeah, no, I don't want to hang out with 60.
But there's also super
Maybe sometimes.
Like that interior, sir. Man, he about that track life for sure. Look at this thing over here. Clean as cool. A minute. Not the biggest R33 fan, but when it's properly done, they look pretty clean. Alright, my boy said he got a Tomei because of me, so let's see. I didn't see it. Oh, he for sure.
He's got the little center light too, like
For sure.
just like the thing.
You're a real one. Damn. The little Benyata. The red guts. Then we got a little fresh Yata over here. It's clean. You know, I gotta show love to the Beam gang over here. Man, it's chilly. I did not come dressed today. I was not prepared. Oh, GTR with Tomei color Omnitric exhaust. Oh. Evil gang. It's clean one right there. The chalk gray going on. Surprised as many people showed up. It's all wet and shit. Damn, the hot hands. You guys remember those? My boy out here wiping his shit down. He's like, y'all about to take some fresh pictures of me. I'm gonna wipe mine too down, my boy. Oh, clean. E92. Yo, peep, guys. I was thinking about doing this to my stock hood. They sell these vents. Gotta cut the hood up, but I mean, shit, it looks good for a stock hood. It's definitely a cheaper option than buying a carbon hood. So your boy might do that. Damn, is that VIS hood, dog? Alfa Romero. Oh shit, guys, get out of the way. Damn, the LC 500 on the old BC Forge. You guys remember these wheels on the R8? Those wheels are sick. GSF, super clean. Got RCF. Another RCF. Excuse me. Clean, clean. I like them. I thought about it once upon a time, but I didn't. Damn, the Duke's a hazard. All right, guys, it's starting to drizzle again. It's getting cold as hell, so I'm trying to wait for Nike to go open so I can go buy some tech fleece or some shit. Damn, vet gang. It's clean right here, the C5. All over Mike. All over Mike. Smythe's grandpa. And that, is that an S6? We rolling out. I'm gonna go grab some grub. Nice. Damn, all these phones and shit out. Drake rolling through here. Ah, hit, dirty, done. Keep you guys updated on everything that's going on with the S15, etc. So yeah, stay tuned with your boy. Catch you guys in the next video.